Okay, we're going to talk about assembling a real estate package set of forms. So at your IowaDocs screen, go down to Real Estate Forms, click once, and right at the top you'll see Real Estate Package. Click once. That'll bring you up to your sale of property selector. You do have different packages you can select from. So if you wanted to do a basic deed package, you could just click there and it'll bring up the deck, val, groundwater, and warranty deed. But you can also then select other forms if you wanted to add to that, or deselect if you want to deselect from by just clicking on the boxes there. You can select all if you want to select all, or select all again, we'll take them all away. So I'm going to do a basic deed package. Hit next, put in the file name for your answer file. So I'll put Peterson. And I just put buyer there, and then you hit assemble. And that'll start your first template, which would be a deed. You can go through this deed, answer all the questions. You can preview. When you hit preview, it's only going to show you the warranty deed because that's all you're assembling right now. To save some time, I'm going to go ahead and hit load information to put in my answers so we don't have to watch me put in answers. Go through and answer all your questions that you need to answer. Again, you can preview. If you hit preview, it's only going to show you the warranty deed. It's not going to show me a declaration of value or groundwater. So if I hit preview, you'll see just the warranty deed. That's all I see there, which is fine. Pick which type of warranty deed you want. I would assume most people are going to pick a DocX. Hit assemble. That's going to put in the back on the server, ExpressDocs. It's going to keep the warranty deed ready for you towards the end. It assembles all the forms at the end. So right now, if you look up here, it says real estate transfer. This is the groundwater. You go through and you answer those questions. You can also preview. Remember, if you preview, it's only going to show you the groundwater, nothing else. Your warranty deed is still being held by the server. And there's my groundwater. After I answer all the questions, again, pick which type of groundwater you want, hit assemble. That adds to your list of documents, which is the warranty deed. So the warranty deed and groundwater are being held on the server. It brings up the last document, which in this case is declaration of value. Again, answer the questions you haven't answered before. You can also hit preview. If you hit preview, it's only going to show you the declaration of value. And there's the declaration of value. Go to the document file format. It's only in PDF, so you don't have to select anything in there. Since this is my last document, when I hit assemble, you'll see that all three of my documents and my answer file or my answers are ready to be saved. So here's my warranty deed in Word, groundwater in Word, and my declaration of value in Word. I can right click on that, say save link as, and then I can tell it where to save that warranty deed. I could do the same thing with groundwater, right click, save link as, save it in my client file as groundwater, hit save. Do the same thing with my declaration of value, hit save. And I can do the same thing with my answers. Save link as, Peterson Norm Buyer, hit save. And now when I go to that folder, you'll see there's my, this is probably my client folder. I just have my downloads, but there's Norm Peterson, his answer file. Here's the DOV for Norm Peterson. Here's my groundwater for Norm Peterson. And here's my warranty deed for Norm Peterson. They're all right there. Or you can hit download all, and it'll download all 4 of those files, the 3 documents and your answer file all at once into a zip file. So download all. It'll show here as a zip. There's the zip file. If I open that up, you'll see there's all Norm Peterson stuff, and you can extract that into your client file if you'd like. Thank you.